Hey guys, Dr. Ross here with Inver Chiropractic, and we are talking tension headaches. And more specifically, we're trying to look at the root cause of tension headaches. Because it's one of the most common things that we see in the clinic, there's a lot of different causes that we do see. But one of the most common ones is when we lose the curve in our neck. And that puts a ton of stress and tension on the muscles and the vertebrae, which then affect the nerve. So if you remember, when we're looking from the side of the neck, we want there to be a nice, smooth, C-shaped curve, but then we start to lose it, and then all the muscles back here, they get stretched forward, pulled tight like a rubber band, so they get weak. So we want to be able to bring them back and bring that head back over top of the shoulders, which will then in turn work at that root cause of headaches. So to be able to do that, we're going to show you guys a few things that you can do at home to try to correct that. So what we're going to do is we're going to have Justin start with the band. You can have any type of tension. The nice thing is the bands are big enough, so even if this was not enough tension, he could double it up or triple it up so he could have enough in there. So what we're going to want to do for this first one is we're going to try to strengthen the upper back muscles, try to roll these shoulders back, but we got to make sure we're having good posture with our neck here while we're doing that. So we're strengthening our anterior neck flexors along with this. So what we're going to do, the first one, we're going to call these LXT. So we're going to do 10 of each one. The first one, we're going to hold the band out, and we're going to do elbows close, and we're going to turn them out. So he's going to show you here. So we're pinching the shoulder blades together, but staying nice and tight, and we're keeping the elbows very close to the body. And you're going to feel this pretty good. It doesn't take a lot of tension to be able to feel a lot of issues. And if you remember, we want to make sure we have that proper posture when we're doing it. There we go. So that's the L's. Now the X's, you can even turn and face them now. X's, we're going to go cross body. Good. Again, we're working all the different upper shoulder muscles, especially the smaller postural muscles. Make sure we're getting those shoulder blades pinched back here, having good posture. And then you do those on both sides. The next ones are T's. Very simple, straight out and forward, all the way back with straight arms. Very similar to L's, but arms are straight. Again, good posture as we're working through this. Good. Go ahead and relax. Next one we're going to do is we're going to lay down on our back here. So there's a couple different things we can do when it comes to trying to release some of the tension in the muscles that are especially at the very base of our skull here. So what he's going to do is lay down on your back. Tables aren't the best for this. Laying on the ground is going to be the best. But what we did is we took 2 lacrosse balls and we taped them together. So what we can do is we can lift the head up and we can put this right at the base of our skull, and then you can move around and you're going to be able to have pressure right on the suboccipital muscles. It's going to be a little bit tender, and you can just press and hold tension, kind of like a deep tissue massage. But then you can roll back and forth a little bit so you can start to get some mobility in there. That's going to help relieve some of that tight tension, get the knots out as well. And then another one, we're going to take this out of here, is if we have lost the curve in our neck, there's a few things that we can do to try to restore it when it comes to doing it at home. A, exercises are important, but B, there's some passive things we can do. This is a cervical mold that we have. So long story short, you lay on it, it's going to help mold that curve back into the neck, and you just passively lay there, starting at 2 minutes, slowly working your way up to about 15. And again, if you don't have one of these, we have them in the office. You can order them online. Otherwise, a nice towel will work too. So basically, we slide this underneath, put it in the middle of our neck curve, and then he just relaxes here. So again, take time off, unwind, and we're going to try to help mold that curve so we can take that tension off the muscles. So if you guys have any questions about any of the 3 things that we did here today that you can do at home, please comment below. We'll get back to you right away. Otherwise, if you have questions on other things that you can do, again, add a comment below. We'll get back to you right away. If you know anyone that needs this information, please share it, like it. We would love to get this information out to everyone. So if you have any questions, we'd love to hear from you. Have a wonderful day. Thanks.